let's look at the post-processing phase. The post-processing phase is the last of the migration phases. In the SAP IMG menu path, it's called activities after migration. And it is actually made up of 4 activities, that is transfer application indexes, fill due dates in FI documents, fill the offsetting account in FI documents, and migrate house bank accounts. These are the 4 main activities. Others 3 are just to display the status. So the first activity is to transfer application indexes. So these are related to those BSIS, BSAS, BSID, BSAD, BSIK, BSAK, all those application index tables. It will transfer this data to a cold storage area. If you look at the help menu over here, it mentions you like this, okay, this data is stored to the database cold area to reduce main memory consumption. But the important thing to note here is that you use data aging. That means the business function DAAG underscore data underscore aging is active in your system. So you should go to transaction code SFW5 and activate this business function. You could request your basis consultant to perform this. So once you do this, then you can proceed to execute that transaction. So let's execute this transfer application indexes, and you can do a batch run. Let's put number of batch jobs 1 and execute. Execute. It's already been done before, so I'm just going to do a delta run. And you can see it's scheduled for immediate execution. And in the next transaction, you can display the status. So this next transaction is to display the status of this transfer of application indexes. Let's execute that. And you can see it's finished. The first run was done. I just did the recent delta run 1 and it's finished. So this is very simple procedure. It will transfer all these application indexes to the database cold storage area. The next transaction is to fill the due dates in FI documents. So this is where all the due dates will be filled with regard to discount 1, discount 2 and the net due dates. And this will be derived from the baseline date. Now if you want to see the documentation over here, just click on the help menu and this gives you brief information of fill due dates in FI documents, and you just got to double click here and it's saying that new net due dates fill in the FI line items for customers and vendors which have a baseline date. And if you execute this document, it will show you those due date for discount 1, due date for discount 2, what are those fields and in which tables is going to fill in this using this transaction. And the next one is the net due date. So these entries, net due date for discount 1, due date for discount 2, you should remember this because sometimes during the certification exam you might be quizzed upon this. And you can display the status, of course, using the migration monitor. So let's execute this transaction. So first time if you're doing, just put 1, complete current run, execute. Because I've already done this before, so you can do many delta runs. Click on new delta run and execute again, and you can see schedule for immediate execution. Go back and check the status. It's currently still doing active, still not finished yet, but once you check this after a while, it should all be finished. And if you have both green status, that means you're good to go.